Hello everyone, I'm Greg Otto with FedScoop TV, and we're here at the Social Innovation Summit, and I'm talking with Yogesh Khanna, the CTO of CSRA. Thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure.
So talk to me about CSRA. I know it's a fairly new company, so give our viewers a little bit of backstory and what markets you serve.
Sure. CSRA basically is a combination of CSC's North American Public Sector and SRA International.
Okay.
So we merged as a company back in November 30th of last year.
Okay.
So we're about 3 months plus into our life.
Okay.
And we are the largest IT services provider in the federal government today. Our focus is delivering infrastructure, applications, and business process services to the federal government. We have a pretty diverse portfolio of clients that spans 6 market-facing industries. So we focus on healthcare, civil, and defense mission and defense IT, to be specific, and the intelligence agencies. And in the civil side, we also have Department of Homeland Security. So those are 6 agencies. And our set of services that we deliver really is to protect the nation and the health and well-being of our country.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So Social Innovation Summit today, talk to me about when you hear social innovation, what does it mean to you and how are you using it to solve your customers' challenges?
Right. So in the context of today's conference, social innovation to us means bringing leading-edge solutions and services to our clients that have a direct impact on the citizens of the country, those who are trying to become citizens of our country, and also to the warfighters and the environment, quite frankly. We do a lot of work in climate change and working with NASA and NOAA to collect a lot of the data that goes into assessing the climate changes in the country and around the globe. So the impact on the environment is very much part of our portfolio.
Okay, so with a lot of that work that you're doing, whether it's for the warfighter or for defense, civil, there's a lot of alliances, a lot of partnerships that go on in that. Talk to me about how important those relationships are in the IT industry.
Well, so as a leading IT services provider, partnerships are our lifeblood. We don't really make any products of our own. What we do is work very collaboratively with our vendor partners to take their technologies, their products, and turn them into business solutions that meet the needs of our clients, the business and mission needs of our clients. So we have a sort of a 3-step approach to partnership. There are the large strategic vendor partners that we have where they bring technologies and capabilities to the table that really span potentially the entire portfolio that I just laid out for you. We also have a set of partners who are focused on a set of opportunities in 1 or 2 of our verticals, but have certainly the potential to go up and across our entire portfolio. And then the 3rd tier, if you will, is what we call our digital natives. These are the small venture capital-backed firms, many of them coming out of Silicon Valley and other tech hubs like Boston and New York and certainly here in Washington. And quite frankly, as much innovation as we get out of our large vendor partners, I think the most exciting set of technologies and innovations are coming from these small firms.
Interesting.
10, 20, 30 people company that get venture venture funding. And it is absolutely critical for us to harvest the creativity across that spectrum. So we have a very interesting program where we've established a criteria. We've got some partnerships with large venture firms, like In-Q-Tel and Intel Capital, where we're looking at their portfolios. And we run them through this criteria to see how we can actually leverage their capabilities and embed them in our existing programs, as well as look for opportunities to bid with them as we go to market.
Well, that's very interesting. I know that venture-backed companies and these small upstart companies, have a lot of creativity behind them, and it's refreshing to see that bigger firms are starting to realize that they need to harness the power of Silicon Valley if they plan to leverage the new technologies that are rolling out.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for talking with us.
My pleasure.
For more of our videos, you can check out our YouTube channel, and for more information, check out fedscoop.com. I'm Greg Otto. Thanks for watching.